Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today's video I'm going to be making vegetable sauce or vegetable stew. So take your seats and popcorn, let's make together. So first I'm going to start by seasoning the mackerel fish, which I'm going to be using for this recipe. I'll add my onion, some mixed spice, curry powder, fish spice, not stock cube, salt. Then I'll go ahead to add in some water to the fish. Then I'll cover the pot and allow the fish to cook. So a few minutes later, after I'm done cooking the fish, I'll go ahead to take out the fish from the fish stock, and after that I will set the fish stock aside. Then I'll go ahead to debone the fish, then set it aside. So next I will heat up some vegetable oil. Then I'll add some chopped onion, then stir fry it for about 3 minutes. And after that I'll go ahead to add in my well chopped tomatoes and some red bell pepper. Then I'm going to fry this for about 10 minutes. Try to fry your tomato on a medium heat to prevent it from burning. And 10 minutes later I'll go ahead to add in my blended pepper, some non-stock cube and salt. And after that I'm going to stir it continuously. The next step is to go ahead to introduce my well deboned mackerel fish, and after that I will use my spatula to break down the fish into smaller pieces. Please, my amazing viewers, if you've not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor by clicking on the subscription button and also turn on your notification bell icon. And please do join our YouTube membership and also like and share this video. So after I'm done breaking down the fish and mixing everything together, I'll go ahead to add in my fish stock, then my blended crayfish. Then I'll use my spatula to stir it and make sure I combine everything together. So after I'm done stirring and mixing everything together, I'll go ahead to cover the pot, then allow it to cook for about 5 minutes before adding in my vegetable. 5 minutes later, I'm going to check on my sauce. Then finally I'll go ahead to add in my chopped vegetable. Then I'll still cover the pot and allow it to steam for about 2 minutes. So 2 minutes later, I'm going to use my spatula to stir my vegetable sauce and make sure I combine everything together. So guys, you don't need to like overcook your vegetable if you want to have a perfect vegetable sauce or vegetable stew. You just need to steam for a minute or two, then stir it and serve your vegetable sauce. So guys, can you see how yummy and delicious this vegetable sauce look like? Try this recipe and tell me what you think or feel about it in the comment section, guys. And again, if you have any suggestion or any food which you want me to make, you can leave that on the comment section. And thank you all for tuning in. See you guys in my next video.